we have to start here. Let's take a look around. At the start point, you get your free bags to get your swag around the show. Let's take a walk around and see what's good. All right, we got the Yamaha booth. Let's see what Yamaha's got in store. No new models this year, but want to see my favorite, the R6, R1 sport bikes. Man, that jacket's crazy right there. All right, we got a dissected R1. People trying out the bikes. The R6 carbon, gray color.
Really like the color.
Check out the R3, this new colorway. It's pretty dope.
That's the only reason I keep looking.
Like a mini R6. I like what they did with the body style. Looks way better than the previous gen R3. We got the kids on the bike. R6 represent. This definitely got to be my next bike. This thing is mad hot. Alright. We can't forget Kawasaki over here. The Z400 on display. It's only a 400, so it's like a beginner bike. Beginner naked bike. The Grom competitor, the Z125. Damn, this bike looks crazy. Hold up. We gotta sit on this bike. All right, this thing is only $3,200. Damn, this thing's like crazy. Yep. This definitely feels like a toy. Alright. Let's keep looking around Kawasaki, what they got. Looks like the Ninja 400. ZX6R, usual. We got the ZX10R, 2019. Cowie green. All right. So let's head to the Triumph booth. Alright, standard naked bikes. I don't see any Daytonas.
That bike has the upside down.
Of course, you got the Triumph gear, the leather gear. All right. What do we got next, guys? So, oh, here's a photo op in the Ducati booth. There's a lineup to get a picture here. Alright, check out the Panigale. It's looking pretty sick. Now I don't know what this bike is, but it looks it looks sick. It's got freaking front spoilers, front carbon spoilers. This is the Ducati.
Yeah, I would imagine
Panigale V4R.
You know, that
is 40 G's. That's crazy. This bike is 40 G's. That's Ducati for you.
CC is 1100.
And this one?
999.
Grade 1.
Yeah. This is built to specs that we can race in the world series. That's why it has to be under 1,000.
But it has more horsepower.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're looking at a 40G Ducati race bike over here. Of course it's street legal, but it's race spec street legal, I guess.
Yeah, this will rev to 16,000 RPM, 16,500 here, and
definitely sex on wheels right here.
the absolute rev.
All right, once again, guys, 40 G's for this bike. Just under 1,000 cc's. These are the specs, revs up to 16,000 RPM, just about. 221 horsepower. That's what you get for 40K for a bike. All right, you got the Diablo here. Scrambler section. We're just going around seeing what's good. Some vendors here. Alright, looks like we have the Honda booth. Nothing new, right? Nothing, no new models. Take a look at the Cbr. Cbr1000R. $600 over here. You guys take a look over here. This is the section where they're demoing the Zero electric bikes. There's a lineup over here. Now this is the future of bikes, electric bikes. This is the lineup to actually test ride one of them.
Voy a agregar al bizcochillo ese.
There's no price here. at the spec sheets. Alright. So here's one of the Zero electric bikes. I don't know too much about these bikes, but hey, it's electric, right? Let's take a seat. But yeah, first impression of this bike, I can't really tip it. I'm also using one hand, so that might be a factor while I'm holding this camera, but I'm trying to tip it straight, but I'm having a hard time. This thing seems pretty heavy. Anyways, let me get off this bike right quick. I don't know if they post the curb weight on these bikes. Okay, 303 pounds, that's not heavy. 408 and 452, okay. I'm just weak, guys, sorry. Once again, here's the lineup to ride the Zero bikes. Oh, and you can also ride the e-bikes here. That's pretty hot. So it's more than just the Zero bikes. They have a Yamaha e-bike. That actually seems fun. All right, so these guys are gonna take off on these Zero electric bikes on this mini indoor track, carpeted. All right, there goes the first rider. That's cool stuff. Off they go. That guy is having some trouble. Oh wow, somebody dropped the bike over there. And I totally missed that in the distance. That was the first drop. Sorry, I didn't catch that on video, guys, but somebody dropped the bike on turn 1. Pretty exciting. Oh. So they got something over here. I guess testing out the revs. I guess that's why they have carpeted floors here. Alright. So, I think that girl immediately has to sit down. Maybe. Or not. Oh yeah, they let her go, so she made her turn. Nice. Got that in a video. All right, we don't want to miss this. Oh, this is the ride of shame here. It's a girl, guys. I don't want to put her on the spot anymore, but yeah, like I said, these bikes, the center of gravity, they probably ride differently. So I'm pretty sure if I was riding this, I'd be dropping on the first turn 2. Just takes a little practice. stuff. Big lineup for here. It says stunt show, but I have no idea what's going on. Looks like popping a wheelie. It looks like we have a rev booth. Looks like we have the classic bikes here. Damn. These look actually mad fun to ride. Walking around here. We got the slingshots up ahead. Oh, and a kid zone for when you bring your kids. Let's check out the slingshot, guys. Damn, this one looks pretty hooked up. And just so you guys know, please do not sit in this vehicle. All right, good stuff, good stuff. Oh, they're serving, they got a food truck back here. State Farm Insurance. We got an interesting dissected Ducati here. 2006. What else do we have around the corner? So guys, I'm here on the last day. This is Sunday. It's actually pretty late in the day. They're going to be closing in like an hour or two. So normally it's packed like Friday. I wouldn't say Friday, but Saturday. Early into Sunday, I would say this place was packed. But right now, we got some space. All right, that bike is just out there. Got wheels. We got the marketplace presented by Cycle Gear. A bunch of stuff, helmets, parts, tires. Nice Gixxer 1000. Tires. Shoei. I recommend then Shoei helmets. NRI. It's good shit. This bike I've seen before on a lot of group rides. Most notably the Last Gentleman's Ride. Indian motorcycle. Oh, this looks pretty badass. Gauge is all LCD. let's keep going through. Wow. All right, this Indian Cruiser. Yeah. Got the Aprilia here. I don't know about this color scheme, but this thing looks like a Pokemon. I don't know. It looks like an old school R6, but this is a 2018 Aprilia. Alright, let's check out the Suzuki booth. What do we got here? Have you been interested in a small displacement motorcycle under 250 cc? Okay, let's just say yes. Wow, this is a 150. Damn. This is a 150. I didn't know they make 150s. It's got a mean Yoshimura pipe for a 150 too. Damn, you gotta check out this gauge here. It would have fooled me. Alright, you got your 1000 over here. That's the Suzuki booth. Let's head to the BMW booth, guys. Now, what I want to see is the new 2019 S1000RR. Of course, you got the BMW gear. All right. Take a look, guys. Here she is. I can't say I'm a fan of this color scheme, but what I can say is at least they got rid of the asymmetrical headlights. Let's take a look. I gotta say the front end is nice. I mean, compared to the old model, I wasn't a fan of the old model. Just the lazy eye headlights, something about it. Let's take a look at the specs. There's no price on here, but 999 cc, 205 horsepower. I don't understand the hype around this bike, but it's alright to me. I mean, it's a sick bike, don't get me wrong, but I don't know. But what do I know about bikes, guys? I ride a Ninja 300. Alright. Let's, alright, so we kind of made a full circle. Back to the Yamaha booth. Let's take a quick walk. Some old school Honda. Wow, you got a progressive booth where they're actually shaving people. Get a quick beard shave over here. Oh, nice. You got a pool table trick shot challenge. Let's see if this kid nails it. Father and son is bonding right now. Alright, Dad's got to beat his ass right now. Alright. Alright, guys. So let's go to the last part. Little shopping area. As you guys can see, they got all types of wares here. Typical, you know, sunglasses, accessories, patches, jackets. Anyways, guys, that was a quick tour of the 2018 Progressive International Motorcycle Show here in New York, Javits Center. Until next time, this is your boy Il Producer signing off. See you on the next one. Peace. We're doing the trick shot challenge. I swear this guy's mad quick.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey. Good stuff, good stuff.